Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about basic string manipulation. String manipulation is the process of altering or retrieving data from strings in a systematic manner within computer programs. This is achieved through operations like joining strings together, concatenation, dividing strings into parts, splitting, extracting specific sections of strings, slicing, and organizing strings in a particular format. For instance, a software application may combine a user's first name and last name using concatenation to display a complete name. Another example is splitting a sentence into individual words to perform further analysis or formatting data to adhere to a specific layout required for a report generator. Such operations are fundamental in programming to efficiently manipulate textual data. Concatenation in programming refers to merging multiple strings into a single string. In the given example, two strings hello and world are concatenated with a space in between using the plus operator in Python. This results in the string hello world when printed. Splitting a string is the process of breaking it into several parts using a specified delimiter. For example, if we have a string, this is a sentence, and we split it based on spaces, the output would be this is a sentence. This is achieved by using the split method in Python, where you specify the delimiter inside the parentheses. Slicing is a technique used in Python to extract specific sections of a string. It involves specifying the start and end positions within square brackets, separated by a colon, within the string you want to slice. The start position is inclusive, while the end position is exclusive. For example, in the code snippet provided, the string John Doe is sliced to extract the first name and last name. By utilizing the square brackets with indices, the first four characters are extracted as the first name, starting from index 0 up to, but not including, index 4. Similarly, the last name is extracted by starting from index 5, inclusive, until the end of the string. When executed, the output will display the first name John and the last name Doe, showcasing the effectiveness of using slicing to extract specific portions of a string with Python. Formatting is crucial in inserting variables into strings. In Python, the format method is used for this purpose. In the provided example, the variables name and age are inserted into the message string using as placeholders. When printed, this string will display the values of name and age in their respective positions, resulting in a dynamic and informative output. This method enables the creation of personalized and flexible messages based on the values of variables. Basic string manipulation is like rearranging a bookshelf. Just like moving books around to change the order on a bookshelf, you can rearrange the letters and characters in a string to alter its content. For example, if you want to alphabetize the books on a shelf, you can rearrange them in a specific order. Similarly, in a program, you can sort the characters in a string in ascending or descending order. Hey, code conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The provided R code demonstrates various basic string manipulation techniques. It starts by defining a sample string hello world. 1. Stir reverse original string reverses the string to obtain dlro ole. 2. Star split original string 1 splits the string at the space character to extract individual words, resulting in hello and world. 3. Stitched words collapsing layout joins the words with a hyphen as the separator, producing hello world. 4. Topper original string converts the string to uppercase, yielding hello world. 5. Star detect original string world checks if the string contains the word world and prints the result. 6. Star locate original string O1 finds the position of the first occurrence of the character O in the string. These operations mimic common scenarios like modifying text content for better readability or analyzing text data to extract specific information. In the real-world context of customer relationship management, CRM systems, basic string manipulation techniques are often applied to process and analyze customer feedback data. For instance, Sentiment analysis algorithms might utilize string manipulation to extract important keywords or phrases from customer reviews, enabling companies to understand customer satisfaction levels more effectively. Another industrial application of basic string manipulation techniques can be found in data cleansing processes within finance and accounting software. When dealing with large data sets containing transaction records, these tools commonly employ string manipulation functions to standardize text formats, correct typos, and extract relevant information for financial reporting purposes. These examples demonstrate how basic string manipulation plays a crucial role in enhancing data processing and decision making across various industries, showcasing its versatility and importance in real world applications. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.